Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here. I got this Thonapa retractable metal cord reel with switch breaker, whatever, this is what it is. So you guys can see the box is what it says. That is the back of it if you want to pause that and read that really quick. And that's it. So that's kind of what I got. I got this to do a modification for my mom for the vacuum cleaner. If you've been watching my other videos, I've been doing a central vacuum install, and this is going to work for the central vacuum install to get electricity to the power head to do the carpet. So this is 16.3. I mean, it should be good enough for I think the power head pulls under 10 amps, so it should be fine. If it was over 10, if it was probably over 12 amps, I'd probably want 14. But it even says right here 10 amp. There you go, say 10 amp. But this should be fine. I guarantee you 10 amp is going to be fine. Anyway, there's a mounting bracket right here. So I'm not sure what anything really is for, but I mean, it looks self-explanatory. There's two screws right here that you're going to use to mount this. This is going to go through here into that wheel, and then looks like they have this really cheap looking thing that you would put in this hole instead of like a real like cotter pin or something that you see at Home Depot or those. So anyway, so let's open this up. This is the kind of the instructions for it. If you guys want to give that a pause and whatever, if you lose yours. So yeah, we got blue, as you could see. This is the plug right here that I'm gonna be, well, the lead, the plug, and it has a fuse built in. I'm not sure how many amperage is this fuse or when it goes off. Oh, it says 10 amps, so it's a 10 amp fuse. So if it goes over 10 amps, then this thing's gonna blow anyway, and hopefully it works. So they have that on there. So here is the little mounting wheel that I'm going to be using. So it mounts this way. You know what? I thought so. Anyway, so it mounts like this, and then that goes through this way, and then it kind of will be able to, you know, pivot back and forth, and then you get the wire out. So that's kind of what they got over there. And the one that I got has this, if you notice, so we got it in blue because I always get everything in blue. I have a problem. So it comes with this, which has you know, grounds in it. As long as this is grounded, you're gonna have a ground here. If this isn't grounded, then this is fake. So yeah, so it goes out like this, makes that clicking noise. See? Let's see how far before it stops. There you go. So it stopped right there. This is 30 foot, as you saw. I do not know the actual length, so I am gonna have to check on that. But how you get it in is when it is hanging up. When we have it hanging up, you just give it a tug, and it's all supposed to go right back in and clicks here. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna cut this off. Hope should be able to move this. This is like a clip, I think, that comes out. So I'll be able to move this, but I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm not going to use this. Oh, look, this has an LED in it. Look at this. It has an LED, so it tells you when it has power. That's really cool. So I'm not going to be using that anyway. Like I said, I'm going to be cutting this off, and I'm going to be installing this on here for the vacuum, pretty much. So, but I'm not going to show you a video on that, but that's just the unboxing review on that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.